Hello people, are you ready for some exciting announcements? Making games is not just awesome. Making games is a creative, technical, but also overall chaotic activity. You need a lot of different skill sets to make a game. Now, it doesn't matter if you work in a team or alone, one thing is common for everybody. That one thing happens before making a game, while making a game, and after having made a game. That one thing I'm talking about is learning. The game industry is evolving fast. In addition to the fundamentals, you have to constantly learn new tools and techniques to keep up. That makes it both exciting and challenging. Learning is also a skill by itself. Now, learning alongside other people is much more powerful. And that's what I want to provide. Empowerment to game developers. How will it be done? By building a fresh community where we all learn and grow together. This place is for both game developers and artists. I believe that technical skills and artistic skills are the minimum to make great, interesting, and somehow original games. You can't asset flip or AI generate your way out of it. The most loved games have passionate artists that worked on it. In a previous video, a subscriber proposed to create challenges, and that's an excellent idea. Throughout the year, I'll be making beginner-friendly tutorial videos that will teach you something about game development. At the end of that video, there will be a challenge. That challenge is where you will learn the most and improve your skills for real. In the community, you can then share your progress, ask questions, discuss ideas, collaborate with others, and showcase your results. The main idea behind the challenges is to improve your skills without overloading you. Introducing the GameDev Kingdom. Practically is going to be a Discord community because that's the easiest and most accessible for everybody. We will start with 6 challenges this year, like one every 2 months. That does not mean that a challenge will take 2 months to complete. Usually a challenge might take you a few hours and is designed in a way that you might be able to use it for your own games. Now wait, there is more. Those challenges will lead to a game jam. Not just any game jam, a game jam with some sweet cash prizes. Because the game dev community needs more events with useful rewards. Challenges and game jams are open to all. Those who participate to both will be awarded a special Discord role that will give you access to what I call the tower. There we will talk about more serious things related to business, marketing, jobs, and so on. Those will be the things that bring you to the next level. And that's the Game Dev Kingdom, a fresh community to learn and grow together. The kingdom will open as soon as the next video comes out, so make sure to subscribe and be among the first one to join. The best is that it's totally free, there is no Patreon subscription or stuff like that. Let's have some fun and build amazing games. As always, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you soon in the kingdom. It was hard to find a name for the community. Everything is taken. Station, hub, room, garage, castle. I went through all the words. So Game Dev Kingdom, I think, was the best candidate. There's really nothing I found similar to that. And yeah, it fits. It's very RPG. So yeah.